Hello everyone, my name is Khalid Amr and today we will present about inverse functions and relations. Introduction. Given any function, the inverse of the function f minus 1 is a relation that is formed by changing each xy of f to a y x of f minus 1. So as you can see in the top right, here is a formula of inverse functions, like a simple. To find the inverse of function, we have 4 easy steps. The first step is to replace f of x with y to make it simpler. The second step is to interchange x and y. The third step is to solve for y, and the fourth step is to replace y with f minus 1 x. So here's an example of how to solve an inverse function. First of all, the question says, find the inverse of f of x equal minus half x plus 1. So let's do the steps first. Replace f of x with y. Y equal minus 1 over 2x plus 1. Then we interchange the x and y. We switch them. X equal negative 1 over 2y plus 1. Then we solve for y. Negative 2 times x minus 1 equal negative 1 over 2y multiplied by negative 2. Then we replace y with f minus 1x. x minus 2x plus 2 equal y. Then we got a final answer, f minus 1x equal negative 2x plus 2. In another example, we have two functions f and g are inverse functions if both compositions are identity function. F of x equal fx. So basically, we will have two inverse like formulas, and we will have to see if they are inverse to each other. And how to know that if they get both of them equal x, that means they are inverse. You must do f times g x and f and g f x. So they both equal x. They are inverses, as I said. F O G x. As you can see, here's the solving, and we got x for f o g. The second one, g o f x, we got the answer is x. So they are inverses of each other. Inverse functions and relations in real life. We use inverse functions in our daily lives all the time. We just don't realize it because we have already defined an inverse to be another commonly used function. To give you a more complicated example, knowing the interest rate, you must have function to calculate the cumulative value of an installment payment. Thank you for listening. Hope you understand the lesson.